guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, this is Marissa again. So here I am with another Kiwi Lane kit, and I'm going to create a one-page layout this time, and we're doing it with shiny and new, like a okay. Before I break into a song and maybe even a dance, let me open the package and let me open the kit, I should say, and let's see what's inside of it. And then after that, of course, as usual, we're gonna make or create the one-page layout. We'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I took the kit out of the package, and here are the samples for the cards and also the layouts. Here you go. Okay, and here are the papers. So we have this paper right here. I love the color of this. I love kind of pastel-y colors lately, and I'm not really sure why. Yeah, because they're happy colors, I guess. So there you go. That's the first one, and then we have, as usual, the card. I call them the card papers. Dance with all your heart, and your feet will follow. I'm sorry, I'm moving around a lot. Imagine with all your mind and believe with all your heart. Achieve with all your might. And I'm not sure if you can read the rest here. And then of course, this is the base for the borders. Here's the back. And so there you go. And then we have this third paper right here. You see the prints. They're so cute. And then, oh, look at that. Isn't that amazeballs? I love it. And I love that they had put down the strips down here, because you know me and my half-inch strips. And I forgot to show you this half-inch strip right here. And again, on this one. And they have the titles of the papers back there. And here's another one. Not sure if you can see. And then here's the back part of this paper. And then, whoopsies. And then we have the base papers. So since I'm only making a one-page layout, I'm going to, I'll probably end up using this one, but we'll see. I will get back with you and show you the templates I'm using. I'm back. So here are the templates that I have decided to use for this layout. So as usual, because you know I love my half-inch strips, it's gonna be there. Then we're gonna do a large bracket. This is from the Fun Borders. That's large bracket 1. Then we're going to use scallops 3B. Oopsie. And then we're going to use this 2 strips. I took the 2-inch strips and a 3-inch strip here. We're also going to be using Wildflower 3T, and then Wildflower 6T. And we are going to play maybe with 2 of this 3x4 photo placers or mats, and it's 2 6x4 photo mats. So let's begin with figuring out how I'm going to lay this down. So how I'm envisioning this layout is going to be like so. This is going to be a I'll probably cut this down to maybe 10 inches. So basically this is going to be a 5x10 a piece of paper. Then I'm thinking we're going to do something like this down here. So you imagine you won't be seeing this down here. And maybe right there. And I'm going to probably cut this shorter by maybe ½ an inch or so. And then I'll put that because, you know me, I want to cover my seams. Then I will put this 2 3x4s over here. Right here. And then underneath this 2 3x4s, I plan to put this, and down here, this, and then maybe I'll be able to put in on the underneath here. I want to probably put one picture and maybe even a second picture. No, I think I'll just do one picture right there, and I'll put that. And then right here, you can go ahead and put your title. So what do you think, guys? Let's get going and cutting paper. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So let me show you what I did with the scallop, and that way you can how I traced it. So I went ahead and traced it all the way down at the bottom, because remember I was telling you guys I was thinking of cutting like 3/4 or maybe ½ an inch from the bottom because of the way I laid it out at when we were playing with the templates. So I just went ahead and cut it out, and I plan to use this strip as that strip that we're gonna put on top of the scallop later. So so to start off, let's start cutting. I like using detailed scissors only because they're easy to maneuver around edges. And so I know we spoke about moving the paper, Marissa, and here I am again moving my scissors. So basically the process that I do is make sure that the paper is all the way to the end of the scissors like that, and I let the scissors, I don't know if I'm in frame, I let the scissors cut through all the way to the end, and I don't snip it to the end. I don't, you know, like do that, because when you do that, it makes a mark at the end of the paper, cuts through this way too. So I don't cut through all the way down. So I just do like this, let the paper move, or my scissors move, wherever you guys are comfortable. And then when I reach the end, like that, I don't snip it. So I hope that helps. And again, let me show you how I would ink this, this paper. So again, I would just at an angle, slide, at an angle, slide. And I'm putting it at an angle because I want the pencil marks to be covered. So that's why I don't do this motion, because I don't like that motion. I feel like it comes out to be very unclean and uneven in the end. Okay, I hope that helps. So let me finish cutting and inking the rest of the elements, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I am back. I have cut my elements here, and we're gonna start tacking them down, I should say. Let's start with this paper. It's a 5 by 10. Place it right about maybe an inch, maybe right there. It's about 3/4 of an inch down, and about an inch on the right side. Right there. Then we're gonna tack the bracket down. The scallop, the strip, then we're going to put these two together. This one here, I want to use this. Loved you yesterday, love you still, always have, always will. So this is not a 3x4, so I cut a 3x4 here, and I will center it right there to make it a 3x4. I will use a placer. I'm going to use a photo on this layout. So I'm going to use that. And I'm going to tack them down here, right there at the very edge. And I'm thinking maybe a little higher because I want the flowers to show at the bottom. So you will notice I haven't tacked this down yet because I'm going to insert the flower down at the bottom first. Make sure it goes and it's straight. Like crooked. So, and then now I'm going to tack this down. Ensuring that it is sort of centered the best I can. And then take this out because we're going to place the photo right there. But I'm not going to leave this, I'm going to leave this here for now so that this is where the photo is going to be, the 4x6. You can either put it on top or the bottom, so you can lay it that way, or you can lay your photo this way to make it look like this is the mat. You can put your title there and you can put some journaling over here. Or if you want to, you can turn this around this way, the long way. You can go ahead and do that. Again, the title goes there and the journaling over here. So you guys, I hope you enjoy and learn something a little bit from this layout. Please, you are welcome to Scrapbook. I do this to share. Please feel free to, Scrapbook. Share this video with your friends. Make a comment down below. Thumbs up. And don't forget, if you could please subscribe. So that's it, folks. See you later. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.